not everyone gets a second chance.
Yes.
You have posted a very beautiful video of re-releasing of this film.
Yeah.
I would like to know why you decided to make it re-release.
No, I think second chances are very important in life. हम हर चीज में हम पहले से ही निराश हो जाते हैं पहले वाले चांसेस पर जिंदगी तो आशावादी होनी चाहिए ना. If we have made a very good, maybe the second chance will also not work. We'll work on the third chance. As long as the product is very good. जैसा मैंने उस वीडियो में एग्जांपल दिया है कि अगर मैं भट्ट साहब ने जब मुझे बोला कि संजीव कुमार रोल कर रहे हैं और मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लेता दूसरे तो शायद मैं आज यहाँ पर 40 साल बाद आपके सामने पीटीआई के सामने ना बैठा होता. मेरी जिंदगी में सेकंड चांसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं हमेशा. आप हम आईएएस ऑफिसर्स को ले लीजिए, आईपीएस ऑफिसर्स को ले लीजिए, वो 4-5 चांसेस लेते हैं एंड देन दे बिकम द डिप्टी कमिश्नर और अदर पीपल. सो ये फिल्म वालों को लगता है कि यार ये अभी प्रॉब्लम हो गया है कि फिल्म का पहले आज हम कल ही किसी से बात कर रहे थे कि इन अबाउट 90s एंड लेट 90s तक फिल्म यूज टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट ये अच्छी फिल्म है या अच्छी फिल्म नहीं है. अब हो गया है चली है और नहीं चली है. आर्ट इज नेवर लाइक दैट. दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ वैन गॉग जिसकी एक भी पेंटिंग उसके जीते जी नहीं बिकी थी. हमने एक बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है जिसको बहुत कमाल का रिएक्शन मिला है बिफोर इट रिलीज्ड. whether it was president, whether it was Mr. Robert De Niro, whether it was army chief, whether it was chief minister. So I felt that we should in a limited manner again try and do that because हम उसके दौरान भी रिलीज के बाद भी हमने इसके बहुत सारे शोज किए हैं. डीएवी स्कूल जिसका कि मैं स्टूडेंट रह चुका हूँ उन्होंने कुछ 10,000 से ज्यादा बच्चों को दिखाई है फिल्म. वो नजर नहीं आता है. हमने दुबई में जाके स्क्रीनिंग्स की. जितने भी लोग मेरे को इतने लंबे लंबे मैसेजेस कहीं आए ही नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर शुभांगी टू बी गिवन अनदर चांस बिकॉज टुडेज जनरेशन फील्स वेरी इमीडिएटली बिकॉज हमारे जब हमने शुरुआत की थी तो सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था. अब सोशल मीडिया आपको बार बार इस बात का एहसास कराता है अरे यार इतनी नहीं चली, कितनी अच्छी फिल्म थी, इतनी नहीं चली. तो आई थिंक ऑल द पीपल हु हैव पुट इन देयर फेथ उनको सबको दोबारा देखने का मौका मिलेगा.
You know, when film released in July, no one, I mean everyone who has seen the film, they have all loved it, liked it. They just like they have just touched their heart. But it didn't get a fair chance. That's what I felt. Do you feel the same?
Of course I felt. It's like during the pregnancy, the doctor is saying the child is growing up nicely, the child is looking, heartbeats are fine, and then it's a stillborn child. So the parents do feel sad about it. But मैं कर्म में बिलीव करता हूँ, मैं इमोशन में उतना बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ. मतलब काम करना बहुत जरूरी है उसको. दैट्स व्हाई री-रिलीजिंग द फिल्म. जो इसको रिस्पॉन्स मिला वेदर इट वाज कान्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल, मैं हताश होने वाले लोगों में से नहीं हूं. निराश होके ठीक है, निराश होना तो ह्यूमन नेचर है, मगर हताश नहीं होता. तो इस वजह से आई थिंक इट्स जैसा आपने कहा इवन द प्रेस हैड लव्ड इट. बट इट डज हैपन इन लाइफ समटाइम्स विच इज फाइन. दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. मैंने 40 साल सिर्फ सक्सेस के थोड़ा गुजारे हैं. मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि I'm a success story of my failures.
But did you anyone give you an advice that to shift or change because Sayara was coming, it was come from a big production house?
No, I think even Mr. Adi Chopra did not know that this will do so well. I'm sure. Even Mohit Suri did not know that this will so well. And I'm very happy that it has done so well. किसी को थोड़ा पता था. We were tracking ahead of Sayara. But doesn't matter, it's all right.
So now, how you feel because not everyone gets a second chance and you are getting?
I think it's a very wonderful feeling because I feel God always gives a first chance to everybody if you work for it and if you dream it. But when life gives you second chance, I think that is also a big, big blessing because not everybody gets second chance. So I think, yes, so I think thanks to Anupam sir and the way he sees life and the way he just goes after it, I think it's a learning in itself. it's a big teaching that no matter what happens, no matter how many curveballs life throws at you, you still have to keep going because it's a part and parcel. He keeps saying it's a part and parcel. Today you're doing amazing, but a coin always flips. So never feel bad, never feel disheartened, never feel disappointed.
Also, इनका फर्स्ट चांस ही इनका सुपर हिट चांस है. इनका चांस तो हो गया. As an actress, I have never seen anybody getting praised so much in the world. I have not heard anybody. So, second chance is more for, of course, for her also, but more for us who have put in money, who have people who have gotten this. But she has done it. Now it's just the world has to sort of recognize that. But the kind of praise she got at Cannes Film Festival, Mr. Robert De Niro, now I'm saying it because he said it, when he spoke to her when the film was about to release and hum press mein to, he said, what did he say that your performance is?
Terrific.
Matlab, God of acting is calling her performance
Terrific.
terrific. तो मतलब आपको क्या चाहिए? मेरे लिए तो पद्मश्री पद्म भूषण से बड़ी बात है अगर मेरे बारे में नहीं बोले वो. But when I told him that it's her first film, he said she is terrific. I think that it will take many years for many actors to be praised like this by somebody like him.
Did you sleep that night or it was a sleepless night after
No,
that?
no. I just, tears rolled out of my eyes and I'm like, yeah, this is what, I genuinely didn't think that I would be experiencing all this in my first film. So I keep telling everybody that the journey has been so beautiful. And for me, I think journey is very, very, very important. Destination can be anywhere. It can just change routes, but I think it's the journey and the people that are with you. And I'm so fortunate that I was associated with the best of best. So I think that's just amazing.
How was your 2 months after the release? How you...
I think I didn't really deal with it. Maybe I didn't want to deal with it, but I just knew that I have to keep going. I wasn't disappointed, maybe a little disheartened, and I think that's about it. And I just knew that I have to keep working and keep going because a lot more chances, a lot more, and I have a full life ahead. And also, I think what this film gave me, I think that kept me afloat. So I really hung on to those memories and my experiences.
And also I must say that I have great love for both Ahan and Abneet. I run an acting school, so जो newcomer होते हैं मुझे उनकी दिल की धड़कनें साफ सुनाई देती हैं. पर मेरे फादर कहा करते थे कि जो फर्स्ट आता है उसको हमेशा टेंशन रहती है कि उसको फर्स्ट आना है. जो सेकंड और थर्ड आता है वो हमेशा फर्स्ट आने की कोशिश कर सकता है.
So how big this time the release will be?
Very, very small. We are releasing it only in 17 to 20 cities, one show at a time, and then we'll see how it sort of does well or doesn't do well. But at least the whole risk is only for 1 week. The reward can be for 10 weeks.